what's up YouTube? So I already got the triple car mount set up on my car, and here's a little white part sticking out. You're going to want to push this in, and it's going to suction it good, and you just do that for all sides. It's going to end up looking like that. With the camera on, just got to extend it out. Once you extend that out, that's how it's going to look like. And you can just fix your camera settings if you want. I usually run 5.7K 60 frames, so it doesn't eat up my battery, the 8K. But yeah, just set it up and then it'll look like this. The car mount is cool because I've went up to pretty high speeds with this, 80, 90 miles, and it still holds on pretty good. That third suction cup that I get, that little extra arm right there, it keeps it for stability too, so it doesn't really wobble. The cool thing about the triple suction is that for stability, for any sort of shots you want to get. So I have the setup here in the back. It's pretty much the same setup. You would want to just put it in. Make sure the little white parts are suctioned in good. You just would push it in. Have the camera extended out, the camera stick, and then I have my camera ready to go. I do also have a Bluetooth mic. It connects with the Insta360. It's just like 50 bucks. It's really nice. It does look real cool on the car. Like, look how that sits. I did put in an intro in the video of how it looks like when you're on the freeway. But these are the shots here. It looks really cool. You can even move it around, like I said, in post edit. That's a cool thing. It's not just a front looking camera. Move it around, edit the way you want to do, zoom it in if you want to see some stuff. And side shot right here. I don't use this all the time, but the cool thing about this mount is that it can stick pretty much anywhere you want. I did get the triple suction one. It comes with that third little suction car mount right there, and it does help with stability. This is how this shot looks like. Like I said, you can move it around anytime you want, post edit. You can do many sort of things when you want. Here's the other side over here. I give it a nice tug. It's nice and secure. There's the 3 suction cups there. There you go. There are different mounts you can get, like online. There's more cheaper versions or whatever, but I bought it from the website of Insta360. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.